What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to this new video, Bitcoin update of the new week. There are some things we need to talk about. Technically, it's not going that well with Bitcoin. I mean, we're still obviously, or not obviously, but we're still bullish. But we had quite a significant bearish drop yesterday, actually, during the afternoon. Even though yesterday was quite an ecstatic day for crypto in itself. Bitcoin was not that bullish, and we need to talk about that. And we're also going to be talking about the dollar strength index, which is very, very bullish. And there's some sort of a risk that we'll get into a reversal with the dollar strength index, which we have been in a downtrend for quite a long time, basically since the fall of FTX, coincidentally. But if that's reversing, that would be quite bad for Bitcoin. It would not be disastrous, I think, but it would definitely shake things up a little bit. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. So let's get right into it. So if you take a look at Bitcoin right now today, you can actually see that the volume has increased quite a lot over the last 24 hours. And it's obviously a Monday. So usually Monday morning, kind of beginning of the week, you have a lot of new market makers and institutions opening positions. And I would even say that the opening of the markets is not even that bearish. It was really yesterday that was quite bearish for Bitcoin and the crypto market in general. But today has actually been fine. We've dropped down to this level right here at around 22,500, a little bit higher, way higher to be honest, but still that level. And it's and we've been holding that, and we even had some spikes up during the night, or at least during the Asian market opening. So in general, what I expect for Bitcoin in terms of the price, and that aligns perfectly, I think, with the dollar strength index as well, because the dollar strength index is getting towards some major resistance levels at 103.5, for example, and Bitcoin is nearing some major support levels. So what we're going to do with Bitcoin is that, as I said, we hit this support level right here around 22,500, but technically it ranges from 22,300 all the way up to 22,750. Quite a significant support level. I think we'll drop down a little bit lower. Right now you can see that we hit that 100 EMA and that was it. I think we'll drop down a little bit lower towards really 22,500 and also 22,300, and I think we'll find support there, at least initially. But then at some point, what we would need to do, I think, to really retain that bullish momentum and to not be at risk of crashing or be at risk of just consolidating, which is not ideal either. I think what we would need to do is we need to break above 23,200 again, right? If we can do that, then we'll stay in this level between around 24,000, 23,000, and from here we can do a lot of things. This is what we need to do. Is it necessarily what I expect at this point in time? I think that's hard to say. I think it's really hard to say. I think we need to see for the next couple of days what's going to happen. In about 8 days, so next week Tuesday, we'll have the inflation rates. That's going to move the markets again as well. I think until that time, I think it's more likely that, especially in the near future, we'll just consolidate right here on top of 22,300. And I think it's going to be hard to really break above 23,200 without any bullish fundamentals. So I think we'll consolidate, and I still think that at some point of time, I think it's more likely that we'll break above 23,150 again and get into this level under 24,000. But I'll keep you updated on that. I'll keep you updated on the fundamentals and everything you need to know regarding Bitcoin and everything around it. All right, so don't worry too much about that. But initially, I think we will fall down a little bit lower. I don't think we'll crash. I don't think we'll have a bearish breakout. So yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin for now. As I said, I'll keep you updated. But for now, take care. Have a good day and bye.